Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the area of the following trapezium FGHK, and all the lengths are measured in centimeters. Well, for trapezium, step 1 will be to identify the parallel sides, in this case 8 and 5, KH and FG. Next, I will have to identify the height, which is the perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines, in this case 6. And once you have that, applying the formula for trapezium, where we will have to sum out the parallel sides followed by multiplication of 12 and the height itself, you will then see Mr. Tan multiplying half by the sum of the parallel sides 5 and 8 and multiplying by 6. This will give me 39 cm square. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.